Okay. What you just said on my mom?
Thank you.
On November 2nd, 2025, officers were dispatched to an apartment complex for a reported neighbor dispute.
Nature of this call was somebody kicking the door. All right. If you want to go with Mike, you and I can go down to the lower level.
Okay.
So, suspect is upstairs. Plan it should be this one.
Is this 47?
This is,
So you want to talk to Lynn? We'll go talk to her?
Yes, please.
I'll go upstairs. I'll go upstairs. Or you got I'll sit there. Or you want to go? Okay.
Police department.
Police department. Hi, I'm Officer Hunter with the Algonquin Police.
Yeah.
You guys having some neighbor trouble?
Somebody speak Spanish?
Hablo un poquito de español. Okay.
Can we step in so we're out of earshot of them? Is that okay?
I have cats.
That's all right. That's fine.
All right. So
Is she getting arrested for stepping in here?
do you want to prosecute?
Yes,
her?
I do.
I do.
Because we had problems with them a month before. They threw water on us for smoking outside our first day staying here. We didn't know that they had kids. First thing they do is throw water on us. So we went and made a police report. There was already a police report about that.
Okay.
So
Do you guys have IDs?
I do.
Is that just it?
She kept on non-stop threatening. I said, I have my daughter in here. Do not enter in here because we grabbed a knife and I did not want to touch you.
You had it there.
And she said, I don't care. She said, anyone can get hurt. I'm pretty sure it's all on video.
Okay, because I see you got that one camera right there by that
that's all
tree.
I have, so
Okay, but
it's
does that
full
cover?
motion.
Does this cover this area at all?
Yeah,
No,
it might.
doesn't.
It might cover the part.
Is that your ID?
Oh wait, that's my home picture.
When she started banging, because we're in the kitchen and then we just
It only
got home.
records it for 30 seconds if there's a motion, so sometimes it won't.
But I got
continue.
it on
He
video.
recorded it on
You want me
his
to take it
phone.
down or you want?
This is like our second month.
Second month?
Oh, you guys just moved
And
in.
yeah,
Yeah,
and
we
she was
just-
threatening
yeah,
us the second night we were here.
Now I want to press charges. She forced her way into our home.
And
So-
our handle is loose now. She literally was shaking it so
I have
aggressively
it
it's
on. I have
loose.
it on video. She was banging, kicking.
And our daughter's under a blanket hiding right now because she's terrified.
Got it. Where's your daughter at?
She's in here.
Okay, she's okay though.
Yeah, she's.
Okay.
Well, they kept on trying to say something because the kids are running around.
Okay.
So I went and knocked on their door. And I asked them, like, okay, so why are you knocking on my door? They didn't want to say nothing. But I left. I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, no one's saying you did, but we got a call, so
I
we
didn't
got to
do
talk.
nothing. I left without touching them.
Nothing else happened?
No.
Okay. So then why are we here?
Because they called you.
Okay. How long have you guys been having beef with your neighbors?
Well, we did have an altercation before, like once they first moved here, but the cops already came for that.
Okay.
Because it was because they were smoking weed downstairs, and we had the door open, and all the smell came inside the house, and so I threw a bucket of water outside.
And how long ago was that?
That was like 2 months ago.
Okay. So it's just them having problems with the kids running around upstairs,
Yeah,
and then you went down and talked to them? Okay.
it's not like we could keep the kids
I get it.
standing down.
I understand.
They're kids.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. This is my partner, Officer Moore. He's just going to
How are
want
you,
to talk
man?
to you.
What's wrong? You
Nothing.
okay? Okay. So
Nothing. 'Cause I remember you
from what?
from the last time you arrested me.
For what did I arrest you for?
This moment might seem small, but it matters more than people realize. When credibility starts slipping, officers pay attention. Confusion over past arrests, mistaken identity, emotional reactions, and defensive tone all factor into how law enforcement evaluates truthfulness. Courts care deeply about consistency. If someone is confident but incorrect, that confidence can actually work against them later. Watch how the officers stay calm while pressing for clarity. They are quietly testing whether statements line up with reality. Let me ask you this, if you were standing there, who do you believe sounds more grounded and who sounds like emotion is driving the narrative?
Barry,
Oh, battery. Okay. Where was this at?
down the street.
Wait a minute. That wasn't him. That's another one that looks like him.
No.
No, I swear to God, we have an officer who looks just like him.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm pretty good at remembering faces. I don't think I've ever met you before. We're not lying to you. There's another officer at our agency that him and I look really alike. Drilly, tell me what happened tonight.
¿Habla español?
No, we're speaking English, okay?
Okay.
Tell me what happened.
Okay, so my kids are running around
Okay.
the house, and they had a problem.
Who had a problem?
The guys from downstairs.
Okay. Was this today?
Yes, today.
Okay.
And they came and banged on the door.
Okay.
At first, they were banging like with something on the wall, on the roof. They were banging on that first, and then they came and they banged on the door.
Okay. Did you physically see them?
No,
Okay. So then how do you know if it's them?
because I know it's them. Because nobody else ever came.
Okay. So just to reiterate that, you said that they were banging on the floor,
They were
and then they
banging on
came
the
up
floor
and
first.
banged on the door.
Yeah,
But you did not see them do it. But you know it's them.
I know it's them.
Okay. I don't know how you can know it's somebody if you don't have physical
I know
eyes
it's
on
them.
them. Are you just basing that off of prior issues with these people?
No, because of the banging on the floor first,
Okay.
then the banging on the door.
Okay.
I know it's them.
Okay. So you do realize that there's a walkway under here that is directly below your apartment, right?
Yeah, what
So
is that supposed to mean?
that's supposed to mean that it could have been somebody else. I'm just
I
trying.
know.
I'm just trying to make you realize
No,
that.
I'm telling you, I know who it was.
Okay. I just want you to understand.
No,
that-
I want you to understand. I know who it was.
Okay. But if you didn't see them, then I don't know how you
I
can
don't
verify.
care. I don't
Okay.
care if I didn't see them.
Okay.
I'm telling you, I knew who it was.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So then what happened after that?
All right. Nothing.
Nothing.
That's when I went downstairs,
Okay.
knocked on their fucking door, and that's when they called you.
Okay. Did you make entry to their apartment?
No,
Okay. Then why would there be two of them telling me that you did?
I didn't fucking go into their apartment.
Okay. So if there's video footage that shows you entering their apartment, that's.
We'll go check.
I have it.
Okay, go check.
That's why I'm asking
Go
you.
check then.
Okay.
I didn't fucking go into their apartment.
Okay.
Okay.
So then, what was the plan for going down there and beating on their door?
I was trying to be.
And there it is. This is the moment the case fundamentally changes. When someone openly admits intent to commit violence, it wipes away any remaining gray area. Self-defense arguments collapse. Claims of misunderstanding lose weight. Intent matters in criminal law, and statements like this are gold for prosecutors. It no longer matters who knocked first or who felt disrespected. This admission reframes the entire encounter as aggression, not reaction. If you're watching this and thinking, that was just talk, remember, words spoken to police carry legal consequences. Would you ever say something like this knowing it could be used against you?
Her ass.
Why were you trying to beat her up?
I'm not from here. I hope you know I'm from New York. I'm not from here.
That holds no weight with me, Drilly. Okay.
Okay.
Whether you're from
Yeah,
New York,
I don't care.
Indiana,
I don't
Missouri,
care. I
Kentucky.
don't care what you cops are gonna f***ing do. All right?
Okay.
Because I'm gonna do whatever I want to do. All
Okay.
right? If I wanted to beat that bitch's ass, I'm gonna beat that bitch's ass.
Okay.
Okay?
So
Okay.
you can hang out with Officer Hunter here, please. Okay.
Okay. So what started the argument?
No, today we didn't do anything at all. She's saying that we banged on the door this morning, or she's saying it was her, and I don't know. We didn't do that at all.
That's what
I mean, they hate us. They really do have a problem. It's every day we come home. There's no.
Can you make sure you keep your hands out of your pocket, though, please? Yeah.
I'm gonna give those back to you guys.
Oh, thank you.
They have two kids. They're stopping constantly. We've made a report about it, but
We don't hear anything.
we're
until
not
we
going
come
up there
here.
saying anything because we
That's not
we
the smart thing to
understand.
do.
We understand they're kids. They're gonna run around. They're gonna stop. Whatever. We left it as it is. The landlord said something. What more are we gonna do about it? Nothing.
So you guys you opened the door, right? I'm just trying to clear because I know you were talking about partners. So you guys opened the door. You guys had a conversation.
No, the first time he opened the door, that's when she
She automatically
pushed open the door and was like, "Where's that bitch at?"
Oh, so it went straight to it.
She
Was straight
she
up.
aggressive, bro. Maggie. That's why I was like, go get my phone, because record this and call the police, because I'm
And
not.
that's why on the
not
first,
dealing
If I have to
with
defend myself, I'm not.
You're not dealing with all
the
that.
second time they tried calling the cops on us and saying we poured water on them.
All right. They just moved in 2 months ago.
Okay.
So these are the videos.
Okay.
She's trying to enter the door still right now. Hey, get the shit! Alright, yeah, I hear you.
This is where legal definitions become crucial. Home invasion requires forced entry, typically breaking a lock or barrier. That did not happen here. But criminal trespass to a residence does not require breaking anything. Crossing the threshold without permission is enough. Add disorderly conduct, aggressive behavior, and alleged threats, and officers now have multiple charge options. Notice how they're carefully confirming facts before acting. This is probable cause being built in real time. This is also why emotions alone don't win cases. evidence, definitions, and statutes do. Does this legal distinction surprise you?
Okay. So it's not home invasion because she didn't technically break a lock. So it's like criminal trespass to residence. So I'm going to go back and ask him if he was hit by the door or if there was any complaints of injury. They said they want to prosecute charges.
Okay. She did the same thing with us when she got into like a physical fight, I think, with previous tenants for the house. So you asked her good questions as far as like when she's like, I know it was them, I know it was them. I mean, plausible deniability, like... Yeah.
How do you know if you didn't physically have eyes on her? All right, let me go try and get that. Both of you are stating that she crossed the threshold into your house.
Yes.
Okay. So that's criminal trespass to residence. Okay. At bare minimum, we're going to have disorderly conduct. What else did she make in terms of, if any, threat to you?
Hey, bro, my daughter's here right now. Leave. Who's here? Oh, right? Yeah, I hear you.
Bring this down.
No.
Bring this down.
For what reason? Are you threatening us? Are you threatening us?
Yes,
you got
I'm
two
threatening
kids. Go worry about
Yes, I'm
them.
threatening.
Don't worry about that.
My daughter, she's threatening my daughter. I don't feel safe with her here.
All right.
You know that's not true. You both headed.
Excuse me?
That's not true.
Not true what?
What you said right now? That's not true.
I was letting him know what they told me.
Yeah, well, it's not true.
Okay, well, guess what?
Well, guess what?
You'll figure that out later. Okay. Put your phone down, please, and stand up.
For what?
Because you're being arrested.
Once the arrest decision is made, everything from this point forward is about control and compliance. Arguing roadside, demanding proof, or escalating physically does not stop the process. In fact, it often adds new charges. You can hear the frustration, the disbelief, and the anger boiling over. But legally, officers don't need a conviction-level case in that moment. They need probable cause, and they clearly believe they have it. This is the reality many people don't understand. The courtroom comes later. Right now, every reaction is being documented.
I'm being arrested?
You're being arrested.
For what?
You're being arrested for battery, disorderly conduct, and criminal trespass to residence.
I live here. What the fuck do you mean?
You entered their residence with it. Okay, well, they have two witnesses. Those
I
two.
didn't enter it.
That's okay. As of right now, I have enough probable cause to arrest
Show me
you.
a video where I entered.
Stand up.
No. Show me a video where I entered it. Show me a video where I entered it.
Don't fight. Don't fight. Relax. Don't go punch. Okay.
Show me a video where I
Fighting with us?
Hey, Yareli, stop! What the f? Why are you guys acting like that? Yareli! Hey! Háganse para acá.
You gonna knock it off?
¿Por qué?
Back up.
Yareli, stop!
You gonna knock it off?
Alright.
You gonna knock it off?
Okay.
Are you f***ing done?
Yeah.
I'm not playing anymore. Give me your hands.
Stop your punch, Yareli! Yareli!
Okay, you don't have to keep on fighting. You're that. You're that.
Yareli!
Just step back.
No.
Don't worry, she's not. We don't want the kid seeing this. We don't want him seeing this.
No, but you're doing it in front of my kid.
You let
Hey! What? Nothing, baby! Hey, take it easy! Okay? Take it easy! What you just say to my fucking mom?
Thank you. Come on, let's go.
What you just say, you bald-headed ass motherfucker? Get that faster! Hey!
Get down faster, you dumb. Walk faster. Walk at my same fucking pace. You're probably along with ice, huh?
We don't work with ICE.
Oh, we don't work with ice.
We
You
don't.
probably do, huh?
We're not legally allowed to.
Well, guess what? You can't deport me because I'm illegal.
We're not in
I'm
the...
illegal. So keep on f***ing playing with me.
Relax. There you go.
Are you gonna buy me a new sweater?
Relax.
You don't scare us. Cut the
You don't scare me either.
Cut the tough guy act.
You don't scare me either.
Jeez.
Watch how fast I could jump out these trees.
The woman was charged with battery, disorderly conduct, and criminal trespassing.
At the end of this case, what we see is a neighbor dispute that escalated beyond words and into criminal consequences. The woman was charged with battery, disorderly conduct, and criminal trespass to a residence, all stemming from aggression, statements made to police, and witness accounts. This situation highlights how quickly emotions can override judgment and how critical it is to understand your legal boundaries during confrontations. One moment of unchecked anger can follow you far beyond that night. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.